Does your Samsung Galaxy S24 or the S24 Ultra support the SD card memory expansion? Now the quick answer is no, it does not support the SD card expansion. This SIM tray here only allow you to put in a SIM card, so it's only have enough space for a SIM card. So you can see here I can put in the nano SIM card, but there are no space where you can put in an SD card. So instead of allowing you to use the SD card, what Samsung does is they allow you to choose a different storage space. So you can have 256 gigabyte, you can have 512 gigabyte, or you can have up to 1 terabyte, depending on the configuration of the device you have chosen. But the quick answer is unfortunately no, you do not be able to use your SD card on the device. It does not have a SD card slot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.